What are the lessons about what will stand the test of time? What is an inherent secular trend? What is just ephemeral? What stands
Yeah,
out?
it's actually it's interesting. I mean, I think if I sort of go back even at least the four big transformations that I've been part of, right? If you say the client and the client server, so that's the birth of the graphical user interface and the x86 architecture, basically even allowing us to build servers. It was very clear to me. I remember going to what was PDC in 91. In fact, I was at Sun at that time. And in 91, I went to Moscone, basically that's when Microsoft first described a Win32 interface. And I said it was pretty clear to me what was going to happen, where the server was also going to be an x86 thing, right? So that when you have the scale advantages accruing to something, that's the secular bet you have to place, right? So that, and so what happened in the client was going to happen on the server side, and then you were able to then actually build client-server applications, so the app model, and it became clear. Then the web was the big thing for us, which we had to deal with in fact, as soon as I joined Microsoft, I think, what is it, like the browser, the Netscape browser or the Mosaic browser came out, November of 93, right? I think is when, Andreessen and crew sort of had that. And so that was a big game changer. I mean, in an interesting way, just as we were going on what was the client server wave, and it was clear that we were going to win it as well. We had the browser moment. And so we had to adjust. And we did a pretty good job of adjusting to it, right? Because the browser was a new, I'd say, app model. And we were able to embrace it with everything we did, right?